So here I have two videos added to media pool. First is my background video and the second one is the green screen video. First, I'll drag and drop this background video to video track 1. And next I'll drag and drop the green screen video to video track 2. I'll mute audio track. I don't want to hear any noise coming from these videos. So right now this is my green screen video and I want to see this nice background video where we have this green screen. So to remove the green screen, I have to go to section color, and in here on the blank field right click and select add alpha output. Now you can see this little blue dot appearing here. So I have to connect the output of 01 node to the blue dot here. Next, navigate here below and select qualifier. Now make sure you select bigger, navigate here to video and left click on the green screen. Okay, now navigate back to qualifier and hit on the button invert. So we're nearly there. We can see the background video, we can see the river and the stones, but we also see the little green line tracking this green screen video. So to make sure we remove that green line, we have to navigate here to in-out ratio and change this to -100. Now here on the blur radius, change this to, let's say 3. You can actually play around with this setting and see what fits best in your case, but I'll go ahead with 3.0. Now select the feather add and left click on this green screen video. And as you can see, the green border now is gone. So if I check this video now, I can see the green border is gone and it actually looks okay. And that's all for today. So hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.